What's up, pigeons? It's August 24th, 2024. Today we have a third race. We got 17 birds in the open, 5 in the classic. I got the nominations with me. Just gonna do a little toss with them, toss training with them. But I won't be home today to watch the birds return, so we'll just be relying on Benzing Live to kind of give us an update. Other than that, trapdoors up, loft's empty. We're gonna have fresh food and water ready for them and let them do their job. So open, let's see, 5 in classic and 17 in open. Classic was released at 7:45 and open is released at 8:15. So let's see, if we were to guess, 3 hours, hopefully we'll see birds before noon. It's pretty nice weather out today, clear sky, sunny, not hot, not windy, so should be a good race. But good luck, birds. What's up, pigeons? So we just had our third race out of Worthington, Minnesota. It's technically the 150 mile. For my loft, it was about 215. I wasn't home to watch the birds, but we'll look at some of the times the birds came back. So first bird back, 11:25. That's Jetpack's brother. He's been pretty consistent in the classic. It's been the first bird back, I think, the last 3 races has been him. So it's nice to see that. We are missing night vision, but 3 other guys showed up. 2 of them showed up 2 hours after 11:25. This one must have showed up this morning, 5:03, 5:12. And in the open race, looks like we're missing 5. First bird back, 14:06, so that's about 2:06. So we're missing 5 birds. Other than that, that's the first race. Oh, well, that's the third race out of Worthington, Minnesota. 150. Still got the nomination birds in here. I'm planning to fly them next week. That's the plan. Kind of get them ready for that 250. But this guy's been pretty surprising. Just kind of a random pairing I did. That's 11:42 up here. Let's see, which one's 11:25? 11:25 is a blue check pied. That's this guy. Yeah, blue band. I banded all my classics with the blue band, so it just made it easier to catch them. But this is Jetpack's brother. So far, it's been one of my sharpest birds. This one's kind of right behind him too, so nice to see.